Thank you for watching us on YouTube. But did you know that if you're on the go, you can get the full show as a podcast now? You can get our morning breakdown of the most important topics facing our country, news not being covered by the mainstream media, interviews with change-making progressives, and info on what you can actually do about all this. Search for The Damage Report on your favorite podcast app and subscribe so you know when new episodes are ready to go. So I did want to ask you also about the story that's, I think, legitimately and should dominate the news cycle this week, and that is the continuing hearing process for Brett Kavanaugh. As more and more of these accusations are coming out, we're expecting that more will develop before Thursday's hearing. Unfortunately, you are not allowed, you're not going to be a part of the hearing, unfortunately, because you're not in the Senate. But what do you think needs to happen as this hearing goes forward in terms of should there be an investigation? What should happen with his nomination process?
Well, there certainly should be an investigation, and the victims who are coming forward should be treated with respect and seriousness and not be subject to a circus. But I'm just surprised that there hasn't been a call for Kavanaugh to withdraw. I mean, this is not a court of law where you have to prove something beyond a reasonable doubt. There are only 9 people who get to serve on the Supreme Court. It's an extraordinary honor. And given the questions that have come up now, not just in one case, but in multiple cases, one would think that we could have someone else filling that role. Again, no one is saying that he should be locked up. This is not beyond a reasonable the doubt or preponderance of the evidence standard. This is a question of, is this person fit to be on the highest court of the land?
And following up quickly, Congressman, when you look at the politics of this, do you understand a little bit why they have not asked him to withdraw, why Mitch McConnell is pushing a vote as soon as possible on this? I sense, and whenever I hear that, having covered it for a while, I sort of think they really think that they're in bad shape here. In order to get people on the record very quickly in an election year, I feel like that's why he's doing it. John and I were just discussing that. Do you see some merit to that?
Well, I think they're thinking tactically and not strategically. Tactically, they're thinking what is going to get their base out, because they know that Trump is stuck in the low 40s. They need their base to turn out to salvage a terrible midterm election. And they feel like if they don't get a vote for Kavanaugh, their base isn't going to turn out. Strategically, they're losing a lot of thoughtful independents in suburban America and other parts of America. And this is horrible for the long-term brand of the Republican Party and what they stand for when it comes to basic decency and basic women's rights. And so I think they're willing to sacrifice that long-term brand for short-term tactics of getting their base out.
I, again, couldn't agree more. Representative Khanna, thank you so much for joining the Damage Report.
Thank you for having me on.
Thank you very much for watching this clip from The Damage Report. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell on YouTube to get notifications of our new videos. And of course, you can catch the full Damage Report live every weekday at 1 p.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Pacific on TYT Network on YouTube TV.